Affiliate marketing strategies from the pros. Affiliate marketing is the art of managing the complex web that links advertisers, marketers, and vendors together online. A website owner who invests time in learning the ins and outs of the process can realize surprising profits from an intelligently managed affiliate marketing program. Below are some tips that may help any webmaster improve his or her performance. One thing to beware of with affiliate marketing programs is alienating your customers. Make sure that the products and services offered by your affiliates are ethical and offer good value for customers' money. Nothing will poison the opinion of a visitor to your website faster than directing him or her to a scam. Conversely, helping a visitor find a product he or she is interested in can make them appreciate your site. Record a high-quality video where you demonstrate an affiliate product, then upload it to YouTube along with your affiliate link. YouTube is a great source for potential buyers, and if you provide an informative video about a product, people will be more inclined to buy the product through your affiliate link. If you are ever going to make money in the affiliate marketing industry, it is important that you buy a domain name. While this may seem obvious, the novice may not know what affiliate advertising entails. You should try to get a domain name that fits your product perfectly. You should select affiliate marketing partners that offer products closely related to your website's focus. This is not a case of encouraging the competition but simply smart business. Visitors to your website are most likely to purchase products related to the topics that brought them to you in the first place. By selecting affiliates that provide such products, you will increase the chance of successful sales. While the array of options and programs available for affiliate marketing can seem bewildering, the best strategy for any website owner is one that he or she understands thoroughly. Tips like the ones shared here can help increase a webmaster's overall affiliate marketing savvy and guide him or her through planning the most effective overall strategy. Now that you got a clear idea about what affiliate marketing is, are you ready to start affiliate marketing for 100% free? Today, you can stop being a wantrepreneur to become a real entrepreneur. Click the link in the description to be taken step by step on the journey of becoming an expert in affiliate marketing. Imagine where you would have been if you took this step a year or a few months ago. Every journey starts by taking the first step. You are opportune to start today for 100% free. Take the right step and click the link in the description.